Let's try this Judy Doll Watery Essence Lip Glaze. And this! Fail yung packaging kasi ang bilis niyang magdumi with fingerprints and all that stuff. Ganyan yung applicator niya. Tapos, paano ba siya mag-dispense ng product? I assume, i-twist mo lang to. But before anything, I got the shade G04. Anyari? Ayun! Okay, ayan. Uy! Ang ganda ng shade. Ang lamig ng applicator. Ang saya. Ang sarap ng application. Ang lamig. 2 to 3 clicks enough na sa upper lip or sa lower lip. After no sa lower lip, kailangan ko ulit mag-dispense. Ang smooth talaga ng application. Kasi this is the first time na nakapag-try ako ng ganitong applicator. Wala din akong alam na ibang brand na gumagamit ng ganitong applicator. I can definitely say na my lips look well hydrated, well moisturized. Parang kakatapos ko lang kumain ng pansit canton. Kahit na watery essence lip glaze siya, hindi siya sticky. And this glazy feels on my lips. This reminds me of Lip Maximizer yata from Dior in the shade Rosewood. But the only difference is yun, may pagka-konting glittery. Ito, wala. But tanggalin mo yung pagka-glittery ni Rosewood. Ito yung magiging output mo. What really got my approval is the applicator talaga. Definitely, I am going to keep this in my collection.